First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
It sure feels and looks like summer, but here's the problem that we may be running into over the next few days. As you saw a little bit earlier, the story about the brush fires in Oklahoma. Things are going to get a little bit dry before we get our next chance of rain here. Low humidity, winds breezy like they were yesterday over the next few days, and the warm air all could elevate the fire danger over the next few days, so keep that in mind. In the meantime, we've got a clean sweep on First Alert Live Doppler radar this morning. Only a few high clouds here and there, and we're starting out at 60 degrees with temperatures around the Mesonet sites also starting in the mid to upper 50s to low 60s. The only really cool spot is the usual Burkesville at 48 this morning because of the elevation of that Mesonet site down in the valley near the Cumberland River, but everybody else is in the mid to upper 50s. There's some low 60s, even mid 60s as you head back toward the Hopkinsville, western Kentucky area. Beautiful sunrise this morning from our live Doppler cam. We're just seeing a few high clouds, some cirrus clouds, some altocumulus clouds, but these are all fair weather clouds as we'll continue to see a gorgeous day here in southern Kentucky. 52 is the current temperature reading right now. Very light east-northeasterly wind. 60 in Franklin right now from the AAA Systems live weather cam on the square in Simpson County. You're seeing some of those same high clouds. Glasgow, you're seeing some of those high clouds, but otherwise a fair start. You're at 62 degrees at this hour, and Russellville is at 62 with a mainly clear sky in Logan County. In the Mammoth Cave National Park, also seeing some of those same beautiful clouds this morning, but otherwise fair with a temperature at 62 degrees. Pollen count, like yesterday, still in the moderate high category, mainly tree pollen, but there's a little bit of grass now starting to show up too. So the mix of grass pollen and tree pollen, that's going to make for a lot of sneezing and wheezing and sinus problems over the coming days as we're going to be rain free for a little while longer. Ozone is good. Molds are moderate. UV index will be running extra high today, about a 9 out of 10 with all the sunshine that we'll be seeing today. Your hometown forecast brought to you by the Kentucky Lottery. We go to Rough River Lake, including Hardensburg. You'll see a high today, 84 degrees up in Breckinridge County, Eatown and Hardin County around 85. Litchfield and Grayson County, your high today, 86. And by the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night estimated to be at $70 million, and the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $92 million. Radar over the last 12 hours running the animation, nothing showing here. Nearest rainfall has been off to the north and east as that boundary that was sitting right over southern Kentucky yesterday has been lifting northward, and you can tell that even by the temperature map. Look at Indianapolis, only at 49 degrees. The warm front just sitting south of the Indianapolis area. We are south of that boundary, so we're at a nice and balmy 62 here this morning. And there it is. That's the front. That's the warm front that continues to lift northward as the ridge of high pressure, the center of it down south in southern Alabama, is making sure that all of the Ohio and the Tennessee River valleys bask in the sunshine, occasional cloudiness, southerly breezes like we had yesterday. That's going to continue to be the case. It does dry out the atmosphere, and of course, as we get drier and windier at times, well, again, the fire danger could go up over the next few days until we get this system that's out in the plains and enough Gulf moisture working in here. That's going to be late Thursday night into Friday and Saturday both. Looking like stormy, rainy days here in southern Kentucky. Not necessarily severe weather, but something that we'll, of course, keep an eye on. Mostly sunny, continued warm today, 86. Then for tonight, mainly clear and a low of 59. Tomorrow we'll make it back to a warm and toasty 87 for this time of the year. Same goes for Thursday. In fact, some locations could even get close to 90 degrees. Wouldn't surprise me a bit. Then we cool off to 78 on Friday with the rain and thunderstorms likely. 76 Saturday, more scattered showers and thunderstorms. Mother's Day looks good, only a slight chance of a shower, so not a rain out there. And Monday, a chance of a shower in the high near 80.